course, you can also integrate data from, for example, configuration database. And if I look to the configuration database, CMDB, this is the configuration. As you see, the mandatory fields that we need to enter are only 3, except the name, of course. The URL where UCMD is running, username and password to access the API or the data in UCMDB, and that's all. How does it work? There is an adapter in Enterprise Maps which is distributed out of the box because we support out of the box UCMDB, and this adapter configuration is driven by the mapping configuration. I would say all integrations in Enterprise Maps. It doesn't matter whether it's an integration with modeling tool or PPM or UCMDB or CSA, everything is always driven by something we call mapping configuration. The mapping configuration describes how to map the entities from the target system into Enterprise Maps. And in case you do the bidirectional integration, also how to map it as well. So here you can see, for example, that the running software in CMDB is mapped as a system software artifact in Enterprise Maps. If I click to running software, I can see the details, like the name is linked with discovered product name in CMDB. The type, there is some more, let's say, extensive transformation that we are changing, for example, SQL Server now Microsoft SQL DB and so on. Here we have the mapping of version, so we remove the version from the name and we have separated attribute for name. Here I have a UCMDB ID in order to trace the ID of the CI, and I can also do the mapping of the relationships, like here assign from, or composition is transformed into assign from relationships in Enterprise Maps. So this mapping configuration helps you to define how to map the entities between the target system and the Enterprise Maps.